Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth on both devices and making the internet host discoverable. You will open the host's tethering or mobile hotspot settings and select Bluetooth tethering. This exposes a service rather than Wi-Fi. On the client, scan for nearby Bluetooth devices, select the host, and initiate pairing. Once paired, accept any PIN prompts and confirm a trusted connection. This step establishes the control channel required for network sharing, so make sure you complete pairing before moving to network setup. Once pairing is successful, you enable Bluetooth tethering on the host. This advertises an NAP network access point service. On the client device, open Bluetooth device properties or network adapters and select the paired host as the network source. Choose connect using or access point as needed. Your OS should request and receive an IP via the host's DHCP, but if not, manually assign an IP in the same subnet. Make sure DNS and gateway fields populate. That completes the mid-step link between Bluetooth and your network stack. Now test connectivity. First ping a known IP to confirm routing, then a domain to ensure DNS works. If pages fail, make sure the host still has an active internet uplink and that Bluetooth signal is stable. Move devices closer. If speeds or stability are poor, disable Wi-Fi adapters that might conflict, toggle Bluetooth tethering off and on, or restart network services. If issues persist, remove the pairing, reboot both devices, then repair and reapply tethering. This often clears stale profiles and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.